Library Young Adult Craft Class. My name is Sandra, and today's craft is the DIY coaster. The coasters that I got these coasters here that comes from Dollar Tree. They already have your cork back on the back, and they already have some embellishment on the front. Now, if you don't like that embellishment on the front, all you got to do is paint over that in the color that you like, and then put your picture on there. So, but I just happen to like most of the ones that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree. Here's another one that you can get. They only cost $1. Now, the other alternative is you can go to the somewhere like Lowe's and just buy some towels that they put on bathroom walls and stuff such as that, and then just buy your own caulk and put it on the back of a regular towel. But I figured that this will save your step, plus it is already ready for it to be used as a coaster. I also like this print, so I just reduced the size of my photo and I just Mod Podged it on. This one, I painted the whole entire surface, put some glitter around the edge, and then I put my picture down. The material you'll need for this class is, you'll need some of the towels, and you can get these from Walmart or Lowe's, Hobby Lobby, but all you need is a towel. And if you don't get the ones that's at Dollar Tree that's already got the caulk, just go ahead and buy you some of the little caulk that you can put on the back. So you'll need a towel and some caulk, or this one from the Dollar Tree. You'll need something like a sponge brush. You'll need some water, some paint of your choice if you're gonna paint it. You'll need some scissors for cutting your picture down for size. And probably another item that you'll need is the pictures of your choice. And these are some of the images that I chose. You can get your family photos and just make your copy of them and just cut them out in whatever shape and design you like. Or you can get some of the beautiful napkins or some of the pretty pictures that you like on the internet, and some Mod Podge. You'll need some newspaper or some kind of paper towel or something to put down and protect your table. And that's about it. Let's get started doing this craft. I am using the Dollar Tree towels, coasters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint over the top of mine. So I chose to make my coaster a family photo coaster. So what I did was got some family photos, and I'm going to use them on my surface. Now, since I'm going to go ahead and paint over this, let's get started painting this coaster in the color of our choice. And you might have to put more than one coat of your paint over it just to get it coated to the shade that you like. But I really only want to stain the front of mine because I'm going to put my picture over the wording. And since it's quick drying acrylic paint, it doesn't take very long. Our towel is ready for the Mod Podge. I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge down first. And you can put as many coats of Mod Podge down to make it as shiny as you like. I'm gonna put just one coat of Mod Podge down first, and then I'm gonna place my photo on top. And I'm just putting it right across the top. Next, I'm ready to put the picture of my choice on front. Make sure you got the weight into this dry. This is what mine's look like so far. Now, while you're applying that Mod Podge on there, it will have that cloudy look, but don't worry because the Mod Podge is going to dry clear. And if your picture is beginning to bulk, All you got to do is get something like I got a squeegee for mine or a credit card and just smooth it out. Okay, I've got about 3 coats of Mod Podge on my coaster, and this is what my coaster looked like. I hope you enjoy your coaster, and I hope if you do decide to give it to your mom for Mother's Day, I hope you enjoy it as well and have a happy Mother's Day with your mom. Thank you for joining Wallace Branch Library Young Adult Craft Class.